What's up guys and welcome back to the Trident. So Xiaomi recently held a major launch event for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra smartphone, in which the brand also launched a bunch of other devices like the latest generation of its popular tablet line called the Xiaomi Pad 6 series. The Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro is the model in this lineup that is attracting the most attention at the moment, and in this video we will also discuss whether or not this tablet is a strong contender to be the best Android tablet under this $500 price category, and whether it performs better than competing models like the OnePlus Pad and Vivo Pad 2. So let's find out, does it really worth the hype or not. The Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro comes with an 11-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2880 x 1800 pixels, and the device has an impressive refresh rate of 144Hz. The display also supports P3 color gamut, 10-bit color depth, HDR10 and Dolby Vision. However, to be honest, that's nothing out of the ordinary in this segment. There is no OLED display, which I think was a smart idea to keep the price as low as possible, because no tablet in this price range has an OLED display. You can take the example of OnePlus Pad or Vivo Pad 2, and this is rather acceptable. So in terms of display, I won't claim that Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro has anything that sets it apart from the competitors like the OnePlus Pad. Design-wise, it shares the current trend of having the same metal unibody design and a clean finish at the back, which is quite good and classy. But now let's look at the hardware. The Pad 6 Pro is powered by a premium Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU, making it capable of handling any task thrown at it. And without a doubt, it's a good chipset. The 8 Plus Gen 1 is indeed more powerful than the OnePlus Pad's Dimensity 9000. In my opinion, if I don't find any substantial power difference, I would any day choose a Qualcomm chip over a MediaTek chip, because Qualcomm has greater CPU optimization and efficiency. So in this segment, the Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro indeed exceeds the OnePlus Pad or Vivo X Pad 2, but not by much, because Dimensity 9000 is also quite a good chip, and if we compare the benchmark scores of the two side by side, there's not a significant difference at all. Camera on this tablet is equally excellent, with a 50 megapixel main camera combined with a 2 megapixel depth of field sensor in a dual camera system. Given that it is a tablet device with a 50 megapixel sensor, the camera quality is, I think, enough. It's not a segment to deep dive before purchasing a tablet. The front camera is also notable, featuring a 20 megapixel sensor for selfies and video calls. For the interface, the device runs on MIUI Pad 14 OS based on Android 30. This time, the company also included a software feature known as First Meeting Toolbox, which is a toolbox that contains various convenient functions that are frequently used in video meeting scenes, such as you can use noise reduction for video calls so that you can have flawless audio conversation. The toolbox also includes subtitle transcription, which transcribes the audio of the other guy in a video call in your native language. So we can say that these are some of the features that Xiaomi focused on this time to set this gadget apart from the competitors, and it is a wise decision. When it comes to the battery life, the Pad 6 Pro is powered by an 8600 mAh battery that supports 67 watt rapid charging and can charge the tablet from 0 to 100% in just 62 minutes. If we talk about some of its competitors, like OnePlus Pad, on the other hand, has a 9510 mAh battery that allows rapid 67 watt charging too. Although given the processors on both devices, I don't foresee a significant difference. The Qualcomm 8 Plus Gen 1 has superior battery management than the Dimensity 9000, and I don't think the extra 980 mAh on the OnePlus makes much of a difference. As a result, I think there is no obvious champion in this segment. The Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro also has fingerprint and facial unlocking capabilities, as well as Wi-Fi 6 upgraded version. The OnePlus Pad lacks a fingerprint sensor, which you may consider before purchasing a new tablet for yourself. When it comes to software interface, Xiaomi's MIUI has long been one of the most hated UIs around, and if I had to choose, I would any day choose OnePlus Oxygen OS or Vivo's Origin OS over too fancy to handle MIUI. To be honest, Oxygen OS or Origin OS appear to be way more clean and non-lagging than MIUI. But these are just my opinions, and obviously I am not denying that they are also fanboys of MIUI. Let's conclude. Is the Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro is the best Android tablet under $500 category? If I will talk about my opinion, I would suggest that choosing this tablet above competitors like the OnePlus Pad or the Vivo Pad 2 is still a difficult and unconvincing choice.